I'm doing like a whole bunch of stuff here, like all at once. Okay. So you're asking me about like how to switch the center point
Yes.
on. Okay. So what you got to do is hit the line tool on the bottom instead of the face tool, and select the bottom left corner. Or you could probably do this with the vertex select, but it might be easier to do this with.
I just did it with the line select, selected the bottom left line on the
Okay,
left
then
side of the door.
do Shift S and do
Cursor to center is already there.
do cursor to selected and
Okay, did that. Nothing's
okay,
happened.
okay. Oh god, I have to remember how I did it.
Cursor
Okay.
is there.
So cursor to selected, that's what we want. We want the cursor there. Now we just have to move the center, and I can't remember how I moved the center. Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
So I just gotta find.
See, but I don't know what changing the center point is going to do for our door. It doesn't matter that the center point is there in the corner, because it's not going to fix the animation problem we're having. We still can't open up the door.
Okay.
What was the... Okay, let me see. Tell me what the problem is with the...
Okay, got that part. So now I
what was
want
wrong with the crouching, so I can fix that?
object apply rotation and scale. Now I'm gonna come on. Oh, sorry. Hold on. I need to add in. Oh, is it? I just had it. Isn't it 90 degrees in the x-axis? Ah, past it. Damn. Oh, I'm right next to it. Is that too far? No. Wait. Sorry, I'm trying to fix it so. Yep, 90 degrees on the x-axis. So literally x 90 degrees. There we go. Ooh. Wait a minute.
Okay, so from what I know, it has to be in the last four lines of code. Because that would have to have been the only thing that I know that you could modify that would actually seem to fix that problem.
Hold on. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. I need to look at something real quick. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna want it at 0, 0. I'm gonna want it there. So now that I have it here, now I'm gonna want to export as FBX. And I'm not gonna export it into Blender. Well, yes I am. I want to export it into Blender Objects. Whoa, that's weird.
What? What happened?
I exported it and it moved the... Like, it literally moved the object. That's weird as hell. Why is it that high? That's weird. Oh, it just changed the location for some reason. Okay, so if I come in here...
Go into the infamous corner of death.
So I want to look at this. I want to go into sets, and I want to go into re-import. There we go. Okay, so that's in Blender. Oh, that's not the one I want to want. I want to use... There's Blender Objects, but I want to come into just a random folder real quick. And then...
Wait a minute, could you tell me what's up with the crouching?
Oh, well, you know how you have it? Okay, first of all, what I want you to do is you have Unity open right now.
Yeah.
You have your scene where you're looking at the character.
Mm-hmm.
Keep your scene on the left half. Keep your game in the middle. Now, play the game.
Okay.
Okay, when that loads, your scene is looking at the bottom of the character. You can see the green collider on the character.
Well, let me set that real quick.
All you gotta do is stop playing the game, click on the character, make sure it's up on that part. Make sure you have character collider or character controller selected.
Yeah.
And then once you get character controller selected, then play the game. And then while you're loading in the game, hit control. Look at the bottom of the character controller.
Yeah, I know, it's right
It's
there.
the collider. Yeah, but look at the collider.
Yeah.
When you hit control and hold it, you notice the collider goes down, right?
Wait, when you're crouching?
Yes.
Yeah, all it does is that it shortens the collider.
Yeah. But it moves the collider down, more towards the ground. Open up your code.
Hold on. No, it doesn't. In fact,
Yes,
it actually
does.
keeps it. It either
Unless
keeps
you
it.
changed it.
Well, on my screen, from what I can see, it either keeps it the same distance from the ground, or it even moves it slightly up.
Open up your code to your crouch script.
Yeah.
Open up open up your script for that. And you're looking at it, the one thing that I noticed is that if you look near the bottom,
Yeah, it's got to be the last 4 lines of code.
it's last part, and you'll see it to where it takes the last part and it's like H, comma H, or then comma something else, and then
So wait, you mean char controller dot height comma h comma 5 times time dot delta time? That portion?
and then what's after that?
The transform dot position dot y plus equals char controller dot height minus last height divided by 2.
Divided by 2.
That's what
That
I tried.
last
I
part
tried to
divided by
change divided by 2.
Change that to divided by 1.
But then there's no point to dividing it at all if you're
Change
dividing
that.
it by 1.
I know. But still, change that to 1. Go back, stop the game, re-import it, replay it. You might not see the difference, but I saw the difference. And go over to that corner and try it again. I literally
See,
went up
the
and did
thing
that
is
divide by
that
1.
is that I also tried divide by like 1.5, 1.25. I didn't want to divide by 1. In fact, I think what I did is I tried it and it still happened. So
Really?
Let me try it.
Because I divided by 1. I just changed that to divide by 1. I literally went over the corner and could not, for any reason, get it to literally glitch into the floor. I could not. I literally spammed the control button, sat there, slowly hit control, let go, hit control, let go. The reason is because literally, where the
I
character
see,
is,
I see. What's
I
happening?
also changed the height as well.
Okay,
For
okay.
the
Okay.
character box, I changed it.
I see what's happening, because what's happening here in the code is instead of dividing by 2, where it changes like the entire collider, it just simply changes the top of the collider and moves it down, keeping the bottom in the same location. Therefore, when you go crouched and uncrouched, it's a smoother, it's a much smoother transition between the two. So yeah, that should fix the code. All right, well that's been fixed. I probably could, given enough time. I could probably convert all this to Java if I wanted to, but I'm lazy and I'll just create a. We will have to though decide on whether or not we're going to use C# or Java. And so far, these 3 scripts that I have are all made in Java. It's not my fault that I'm using Java.
Yeah, it is actually, because more programs use C or C#, so sucks to be you then.
Well, you know what? I'm pretty sure that it's not. I mean, we probably could. And I do like that you have an interact script. That was a nice addition. I wouldn't have thought of that at first. I would have probably had the interactions on the scripts, so that was a. We could just as easily use tags for that.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to open this up. Or not. There we go. Void. Do you have a void start? No, you don't have a void start, but you do have void update. Okay.
And right now, yes, I do have a void start. It's right here, but I don't use it.
Well,
Well,
yeah.
we're actually going to use that for if we're going to check the Quaternion Euler.
You broke up for a
So-
second there.
We're going to use this void start so that we can have it to where it checks the door angle first, and then it'll update down here like Quaternion.Euler of this angle instead of door open angle. We'll have it to where it's door. So we can write this as
Is
like
that a public float?
yes.
Yeah.
Door,
Okay. So the rest
like-
are floats. So
So we
float.
could do it as like a door quaternion angle. And then have it to where it's a public float and have it set to 0 for now as a default. And then have this to where instead of, I'm gonna put door X quaternion angle. So then I'm gonna have it to where all we gotta do is change 270 to door.
I could never actually get why we put F at the end. I forgot why we did
It's
that.
for defaulting, so it set it to every time it defaults to that number.
Oh, I see. So you're setting a door X quaternion. See, that's what I was about to suggest, is that we create a door X quaternion.
Well, the thing is, I'm not setting a quaternion angle for it. I'm setting that as a float. So all we got to do, you know how
Yes,
you
so
said
we can just
rotation was
modify it.
270?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm setting it as a public float.
Yeah, that's what I was about to mention, that we ought to try that.
So let's do that. Let's save this. Make sure to save that as well.
So, oh, if I can spell public, right?
Community.
Public float. What do I want to call this? I'm going to call this
Door. So let's set it.
door.
Our quaternion angle right now is 270.
Door.
Uh,
No.
Oh no, I don't. I need to re-edit the scale of the.
Door. Vector X. Yeah, door vector X works for me. That's a good one to use instead of writing out quaternion. Then after that, it was function.
Oh, sorry.
No, function. I wrote
Sorry, I didn't
function.
mean to change that.
I wrote function
There you go.
void. Good job.
Nice, Gretzbra. There, I have it up again. Sorry, I changed it. Forget about that.
Public void. Change door state. You know the oh my god! Whoa! What did I do there? You know the funny thing is some people in there. Get off, you stupid bug! Away, off my screen. You know, I like how some people, you know, when they do their little curly brackets, how they always like move it down, and we're like the only two people in the world that leave them as they are.
Mm-hmm. I was going to do it, and then I'm just like, you know what? I'm not even going to. I don't want to. I just think it'd be a hassle.
I do agree.
Hey, I'm gonna change screens real quick so I can work on this on Unity. So I'm gonna just come in here real quick and. There you go, now you should be able to see it again.
Alright.
Cool, because I'm going to work more on the door now. I'm going to see if that setting a manual quaternion angle will work.
Quaternion target rotation? Is that what it's called? Quaternion target.
Where?
Quaternion target, yeah, it's target rotation.
Yeah.
Equals quaternion dot Euler, and then we have door vector X. We have open. I couldn't spell it right. Open door angle and 0, and that was that. And then we have transform dot local. Oh, not local scale. Get out.
Wow, that's kind of funny.
Local rotation.
Oh, so far, actually, we're going to have to change that door width on the other side if we just want to keep it this width.
Well, that was the proto door. That's like a door I made in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, but still, it's a good damn door, though.
It's a terrible door. It's uneven.
Dude, we
It's
got
a
it to
terrible
freaking
door.
open.
It's a
Oh,
terrible
and I
door.
found out, you see these box units? Oh, you probably can't see them. Duh.
Yeah, no. Really.
One,
Wait, you mean
one,
the boxes that are like in place of like the
The block-
usual stuff?
Yes, that is 1 foot in units. So anything on the right side you see, like, oh, set the scale to 1. Scale is different, but the rotation and position is literally going by 1 foot. I found that out, so. Okay, so now I have it there, and now I have both of them. Ah, crap, how do I change that? I freaking messed it up already. Oh, and it's pivoting around a damn object again. I don't want it to pivot around the center. I don't want it to do that either. I don't want it to...
Timeout delta time, right? Yeah, timeout delta time.
Why is it so screwed up? I don't know why, but my thing is all whack now. I think it's just because I'm used to it being bigger. This is what I really need to do.
Oh, sweet. I'm probably completely wrong by labeling it door vector X, but considering, you know, all things, that is a vector X. Okay, yeah, that should do it for this script. Now I just save it. Where did you reference the script in Unity?
What do you mean?
Like, where did you attach the script to?
Literally the door.
The door, okay.
Okay, you're gonna have to create an empty child. That's all it is.
Okay, an empty child or an empty parent?
You have to... Okay, there's the thing about that. There's the thing where it has, okay, this, and then the door geometry and all that. Okay, are you done getting the door script?
Yeah, I just did the door script.
Did you need the interact script?
Not now. I just want to, I'll get the interact script in a second. So then all I need to do is add the door script component. I think if I can add my script, please. Door script. Let's see. Let's set doors
this
open.
Y keeps changing, so I'm gonna have to literally set that.
Uh-oh. I already can tell something went wrong.
What?
Yup, I have to, whoops. Door X vector needs to be set to 270. I knew
What
something
did you
went
do?
wrong. My door X vector was set to 0, not 270.
Oh, lovely.
I know that there's
this
actually
is what happens when you change where I put the door X quaternion angle. This is what happens when you change
Alright,
it.
good. We now have working doors. Fantastic.
Okay, now you see how you have this? This is great and all. From here up, it's amazing.
Hold on.
Now, this is where we get the issue.
Okay.
You have get key down. That is amazing. But when you have it is open false here, that is where it becomes a problem.
Why is that the problem?
Is open false. Where do you have it declared? Yeah, you have it declared here. Boom, private variable. You can't change this. You would want to set these to public.
Why would we want to keep them as public?
To set them so that we know if they're open or not. So you see how I have I had mine where I had the script on my door script where it said script, door script, and then under it says open, and then I had the checkbox to where I can set it to where when the game starts, to where I can set it if it's open or not. That was the problem with yours, where it automatically did the animation for open, close, open, close, open, close. It didn't know. It never changed this. With the private variable, it was automatically set to false, and then when you set the animation to play the door open, door close...
Well, the thing is, we're no longer using animations, so...
I know. I know. That's why I literally created my own. I'm just like, I'm done with that. Because this was all
yeah, I know.
I like the GUI.
The thing is that the is open equals true. That is open. It didn't matter whether or not it was private or not. If the animations had worked, which of course they hadn't, so we got rid of animations and we switched to quaternions now that they do work.
We can
is open can still work. What, the adding in a quaternion Y?
And a quaternion X. To set it for separate, same script, just changing that on the personal door. It worked for me. I don't know. I don't know what problem you had, but it works for me.
Well, yeah, it's working for me now. I just said it.
Oh, and I'm gonna change this to where I set a I have it on my survival game that I was testing out. I have it to where I get rid of the cursor while playing the game. I have it to where it does that, so.
Okay.
And I might edit the light animation. I might edit that.
Stop editing all my things that I create. Do you not like what I create?
No,
You
I
bastard?
love it. No. My thing is, what I'm gonna do, I love how you put her in the middle of the room. But
Well, the
I want to
thing
put
is
more
that-
lights around the room.
Dude, I tried that. It doesn't work that well. No, the thing is the way that I did it was because I kept caught. It was funny because I know the exact problem. I was too lazy to go and fix it. I copied the same spotlight, so when I turned around, it's just a bunch of flickering lights at me.
Oh my god.
Needless to say,
Dude, imagine
that was the greatest day ever.
where we have a spot where we go down like a hallway at the school, where we set the flashlight for the character, have it set it to where it does that flicker animation, to where your little flashlight flickers and then goes back to normal. That would be sick. That would be pretty sick, though. Oh no! What? What a bitch! Unity does not support my headset? What? That's new. There's an error in my console. It says Unity does not support wireless stereo headset.
Huh.
You don't want me to put one in there, or you just don't want it?
There's no reason that our character should jump.
Yes, there is.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there is.
Dude, if you want, dude, if you don't need to put in a jump script, just go into the character controller. I disabled jumping from there.
I know.
I also disabled
already
jumping.
looked.
I disabled jumping and sliding because that just caused a lot of problems. I'm also trying. As for the background music, what do you think? The background music.
Oh, I think it's just fine.
I'm still trying to get the volume right. Oh, compiler error? Really? Line 15 on the interact script? Really? What's wrong with line 15?
GUI show true. I don't know on the interact script.
I forgot a parenthesis.
Oh, you're smart.
Hey, you know what? While I'm coding, I do tend to forget things.
Agreed.
Shut up.
No, I was agreeing in that is in both ways of me and you.
Shut up. Well, the private field interact script is what was never used.
Okay, I also moved cameras around to where they really are in position-wise. Oh, I have to put one in that corner, too. Ugh. I don't want to.
Am I not allowed to call these private? Is that like not allowed?
I don't know. Apparently it's not.
Fine, I'll just create. Well, I don't even need these. Get out. No one needs you. Go
I don't
away.
even need these, bruh.
I don't even need these.
Do you even need them, bruh?
No,
You don't even need them, bruh.
not even. Get out.
Not even get out. Oh my god.
Okay,
Just
let's
not
see
even.
here. There are 2 audio listeners in the scene. Make sure there's only one. What? Fucking bug. Screw off. They like to hug my screen. I don't like it.
I think it's hilarious.
No, it's stupid. It's like it'll sit on my screen. I'm just like, get off. Gets
Get
back
her.
on my screen. I'm like, get off.
her.
It
Get
gets
her.
back on my screen, and it's like I don't want to kill it on my screen because then I have to deal with it being there.
Then you have to deal with the streaks marks. You're just like,
Raymond, it didn't work.
what didn't work?
Interact script is broken. Fix it.
You, are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm
quite
sorry.
certain.
You have some. You're using jack shit. I'm sorry. You're writing it in jack shit. So you need to come over to creative shit.
Get out.
Just,
Hold on,
just,
switch back to your interact script so I can
switch
fucking look at it.
No,
again.
I'm sorry. Oh, you want
Yeah,
to see
yeah.
actually good script?
Yeah,
here.
I want to make sure
Here.
I got it right.
Here. See good script. There you go. There's some good scripting for you. Maybe you can learn something.
Oh wait, I know what the problem is. Where did you call the script?
call interact script?
Yeah, where'd you call the interact script?
I didn't call it. You put it on the character, the main camera,
That's what I thought. That's where you call it then.
and then you just put the interact distance. That's about it.
Because my problem was I didn't bother putting it on. I just created the script and left it there.
Oh man.
I just put the script on and left
What
it.
a noob.
Shut up! Alright, there. Now it should work. Now here's what I'm gonna do. Door open? No. Door open? No. I'm actually just gonna move these.
Oh my god, that is hilarious.
Shut up.
So I made a new script, guys. It doesn't work. Can you help me? Yeah. Noob.
Okay, I'm gonna check to see if the mesh. If you're trying. Oh god, you're right about the mesh collider. Oh jeez.
Noob level 3000 comes in. Well, you know, you can.
Oh my god, what?
What is?
Oh my god.
What? What?
You ever wondered what it's like to hold down the button when you're hold down the button when you're opening the door?
I'm scared.
It's funny.
Mine just opens.
You want me to share screens with you to show you what happens on mine?
Yeah.
I mean, it
would
works
love to
perfectly.
see this.
Like the thing is, it works perfectly if you just simply like. But the thing is, oh my god, no.
Dude, just share screens with me. I
Oh
gotta.
my god, this is so bad. Oh, you gotta see this. This
Did
is
you know
bad.
get key down, correct?
No, it's just get key.
No wonder, because get key continuously spams it.
Oh, shut up. I like to use get key.
Down is getting it, and it gets it one time. Get key gets it as many times as it's being pressed. So like get key is for like walking. So like the character controller, get key W is checking to see if it's continuously being pressed up.
I didn't know the
Hit
difference.
W just goes in favor.
You know what I'm gonna do, just for the sake of doing something, is I'm gonna put on some background music and then set it to really low. There's my music.
Oh, I'm also changing the sound for the light because that flickering light is loud as crap.
It's not that loud!
Literally, I can barely hear my basic footsteps.
Dude, it is
And
not
I
that
can
loud.
barely, and I can
And
hear
besides, it's a
the music
3D
over.
sound too. If you get further away from it, you know, you're
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, I know, that's
I don't know why
great.
you're complaining.
I love that.
Stop
Oh, and
complaining.
we're gonna have to
Stop.
change some normals on your camera. I just noticed
Oh, that
that.
was really loud. Jesus.
What you set it to?
I think like 7 will do. There we go.
That's pretty loud, dude. I had it set to like 4.
No, I'm talking about like my background music. What I
Oh.
put on. Might get copyrighted for this, but it's good.
The music?
Might want to put that on a little lower. Just so.
Did you just say we're gonna get copyrighted for the music? I'm gonna kill you.
Don't even worry about it. It's good. Now let me check the script.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Why do I have a
I'm
feeling?
not talking about the game.
Copyrights.
I'm not talking about the game. Just don't worry about it.
What are you talking about?
Okay, yeah. Now it works. Now we just have to set a GUI text. First off, though, well, the next thing on my list to fix is the mesh collider to replace it with a box collider. It
For what, the
doesn't
camera?
even have a collider. Oh, yeah, it does. Damn it. Fine.
Select the camera and then select all the cylinders on it, and then just change
Well, no,
it that
my
way.
thing is I'm just going to select the object in the Blender objects and just hit, and then just uncheck generate colliders.
Well, that's obvious, and then just generate a box collider.
Wait, did you literally go in and just, like, remove every component?
What do you mean? Singularly? No. I clicked on the camera, literally clicked on the camera, went in, hit down, selected all the cylinders and the cubes, and then just literally took off, unchecked mesh collider, removed component, applied box collider,
Yeah,
and then it
okay.
automatically created one, and then I just literally did copy paste on the camera all the way around
Wow,
from the camera positions.
What a tiny box collider.
Yeah, I know, right?
So
It's like
tiny.
Oh, and I changed the height of the cameras to 5 on the wall. I literally changed it to 5, so it's not exactly like you're looking at,
Oh,
like
I'm
you're
gonna
looking
need to
at your
change that.
freaking. Not you're like you're hitting
7.5
your
up
head
to
on
do
them
it.
because we're not hitting our head on them in class. So
Yeah, that's actually gonna work. I just have to. No.
no.
I wish I could just simply move the box collider. All that I wanted. Okay, leave center. To
Oh, and I
0.
think I'm gonna put in my day and night script real quick for our prototype. I'm gonna put that in and then create
Yeah,
a
I
plane
kinda
on the
wanna
side
see
of the
that.
room. Okay, I'll put that in. I'll put that in
3.25.
tonight,
Perfect.
and then I'll also create a plane that you can walk around
Whoa.
on.
Perfect.
What,
So
you got it to where it did the GUI?
No.
Oh,
No.
What?
I was just creating a box collider, and yeah.
it's perfect.
Yeah, the box collider works really well.
Oh, lovely.
I
Okay,
don't
well,
want to
I'm
mess
gonna be-
with the collider on that though.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take a break real quick.
Alright. Wow, I really just... Solid. Change X to like -1? Okay. Done. That was easy. Oh. Ooh, okay. Okay. That's a little weird. I need to fix that. Crap. Gotta modify the capsule collider again. Crap. Oi, door! What the hell, door? Curse you for standing so ajar. Damn it. Stupid door. What if Okay, select this door. Damn it. Damn. That was Raymond about that. This door looks perfectly fine. Now, what's wrong with you? Okay, so that edits the Y position, sets the door to open. So it's not the X value I need to change. Okay. Let's pause it, bring up the scene view. Right. That's why that doesn't work.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, Raymond, you know how your door stood ajar, right? The far door, it was ajar slightly, it was slightly open.
Yeah, I already fixed that.
Yeah, how did you fix that? Did you add in a door vector Y?
Wait, what do you mean?
I'm talking about the door on the far side of the room.
Yes.
Yeah, how did you
What
fix
about
the
it?
fact that the door stands ajar? How did you fix that?
On yours?
Yes.
Why?
It's because
Check
you...
your did you add in the door Y quaternion angle yet?
No, I didn't add in a door Y quaternion.
I'll put my
You want to show me what you got?
yeah. What can you see right now?
What do I see? I see the interact script.
Okay. Right there. Copy this part of the door script in C#. Literally the X quaternion. Just take that and put that where the 0 was.
Yeah, I know.
And make
I
a
was
door
just
Y.
curious if whether or not you had created one.
Yes, I created it.
So wait, where did you put that in place of?
The 0, because this used to be a 0 right here.
But isn't that supposed to be the Z?
Nope.
What?
When using quaternion, when using Euler's, it goes X, Y, Z. Or no, or Z, no, X. I don't know.
Well, that's been handled. So what did you set your door quaternion?
Yeah,
Y
it
to?
goes X, Y, Z. But I set it as a Y quaternion angle anyway. And it still works.
Huh. So what'd you set it to?
You
For
just
the,
literally have to set the... Okay, hold on, let me...
So
Let me
I'm
make
assuming
sure I
that you
set that.
left the regular
Now
door
let me-
the same at 0, but you must have set the other one.
Wait,
slightly,
is this not... There we go. Okay, now if you look on it again, you see how you have... Let me go to my door. You
set
see
it
how
to
you have your door?
352? Oh, I see. You set it
Now,
to...
if you check, I checked
you
and
set
I
it
made it
to,
where the line is
yeah,
right, and then I literally took this and then
Yeah.
just pasted that there.
Yep.
I still put the quaternion X in there, but Z is 0. Z would be that would be Z. I'm moving it on the opposite one. But Z would be, that's the Y on the up. Ugh. Z is a weird rotation. Or Z is a like clockwise rotation.
Alright, perfect. We got a perfect reset. Alright, well, we managed to fix the crouching problem. The crouching problem
Yeah.
is now fixed.
And we managed to
We
fix
may want
the
to
door.
crouch a little lower, possibly. We fixed the door problem. It's now working perfectly.
How far? Okay, hold on. Before you go any further with that, go back to your crouching. You're saying that you might want to crouch farther?
We may want to crouch a little further down, because the thing is that... Oh, jeez. Oh, I attempted to control S.
Okay, well, hold on. Look, open up your sprint and crouch.
Well, yeah, I know how to do it. I'm just saying we might want to.
What is your character height set to?
My character height? My character height is set to H, whatever the H value is.
Yes, but when you said it, character height H equals character height times a
0.5.
number, what's that number?
It's
0.5?
0.5.
You have 0.5 as well? Okay, I changed mine to 0.25 earlier, and it's like, holy crap, small. Like your head's barely above the desk.
So we'll have to set it between 0.25 and 0.5.
So
But
I'm
for
gonna
now,
go
let's just leave it as it is. I was just simply making the suggestion that when we're moving
I'm
on
gonna
to the...
try 0.35 and literally show you what it is right now.
Well, currently I'm cleaning my glasses, so I can't see what you're doing.
Alright, you should be able to see it now.
Not bad. We still need to work on removing...
That's 0.35, but we still gotta worry about removing the
Well,
desks.
we still have to remove the desks and whatnot, and then physically create them ourselves instead of
Yeah.
having them set as one object. 'cause
Oh,
that's
and
fun.
if you noticed,
I
I
see that you...
also I put more of the cameras around the room.
Yeah, I noticed. I'm going to quickly.
I need to
Whoa.
move this one over here more, but whatever. And I want to create a limit on how far you can look down to like here.
Okay, that's in the character controller script.
I know, but or either change it to where, or either move the flashlight back, but just change the intensity. Because it's just a spotlight and the intensity grows as you get closer. So I might just change the intensity, but still keep it at that angle. So I might do that right now and check and see how that works.
In any case, I'm gonna get to work on trying out this camera thing. I'm gonna get to work on trying out this camera thing, so I'm gonna go silent for a little bit.
Okay.
And we'll just stay in the call, but
Mhm.
you know, let's just work on our respective things.
Mhm.
And
Just
we'll...
mute your mic and I'll mute mine.
All right.
Okay. And having a day and night cycle. Now I just gotta literally change my main camera.
All right. Import the chair. Actually, no. Generate meshes. I can put a mesh collider on this thing, right? It's so basic, it deserves a mesh collider.
You know, I
Deal
would
with
have
my
to say
shitty
it
chair.
does.
Deal
No, I
with
would
the
have to say
shitty
it does.
chair.
Ooh, it's got it's got like 7 to 8 vertices. Oh my god.
Oh my
that's
god,
gonna
it's got
cause a
like it's like
crash.
5 objects. Oh my god.
It's gonna cause my computer to crash. Oh no.
I can't do this.
No, I'm done. Oh my god.
Set that to half scale.
Yeah. That's a big ass chair.
Hey, it works.
Wow, half scale is like perfect.
Yeah. Probably...
Set it to where its Y is at 0. Yeah, give it a rigid body. Have it to where it has gravity and then is kinematic. Or no, don't put is kinematic, but my
I'm gonna
bad.
have to give it a rigid body.
Um,
Oh. If you could import any slower. Oh, great. It came out sideways. Curse that chair.
I know a way to fix it.
Chair? Oh. Never mind.
Dude, you already knew what was wrong the first time. And now, like, the second time importing it, you're like, wait, what's wrong? And you're just like, you didn't even worry about it the first time. You just, like a boss, knew what was going on.
What do you mean?
Like, right now you just flipped out and you're just like, oh, what the heck, chair?
No, I didn't flip out. I was like, it's on its side. Then I was like, I don't care.
No, okay.
Besides, this is just the basic chair. We're obviously going to have much better looking chairs. I just want something to collide with and have fun with. Possibly break the game. Alright, good. It now has a mesh collider. Fantastic. Now, on the chair, I can put a rigid body. Take this kinematic. I still have a feeling it's going through the ground anyway. Am I going to be unfounded? No, I'm not. I think the next thing we need to work on is moving the camera's position, so that way we can sit on that chair.
Oh, I can get that.
I could probably do it too. I've got an idea for how I might work it out.
I'm literally just gonna put an animation under the first-person controller.
I'm not even
Just
gonna
not
bother
load
with,
it yet.
I'm not gonna
No,
bother
no,
with
no.
an animation. I'm just going to
Animation's the
physically move the character itself through the collider. In fact, I might just turn the collider. No, I can't turn the collider itself into a trigger. Then no, that wouldn't work. No, I have to create a separate trigger.
No, create a child under the master chair, and then that cube, create that as a collider, and then have it as a trigger, and then once triggered, go into
I'm saying
create
it
a
probably is
script
going to
that
want
just
to.
literally
Probably what it will
just
do. What I'm
takes the
going to say
character.
is if on trigger enter and key down equals key down dot key code dot e is pressed, or is true, I guess we should say, then it will execute what we want, which is to move the character into position,
And then just
have him sit here.
transform dot position, transform dot position, and then do that. I might just create an animation to make it like 10 times easier.
Possibly, you probably could.
Because literally, you know how to do the animation. Don't create it in Blender. Create it in Unity.
Well, yeah, obviously.
I could have easily changed the animations for the door earlier, but I just didn't.
Well, it's much easier. I thought it was much easier to use Quaternions rather than animations, because before you said I should try using animations, and I was like, no, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try and not use animations. So I tried it with Quaternions, and that didn't quite work, but since you gave me the idea of having a parent-child object, that works out pretty well.
Exactly.
Especially since we've decided to create public variables. So, and this texture will need to change. We'll actually need to do actual UV mapping.
God.
We'll actually need to do real UV mapping on this chair because I just used the regular unwrap, not the smart unwrap.
Yeah, I need to figure out where I'm putting lights and everything in the room.
Well, right now we've got the center light, but we'll try and model it.
Yeah, I moved it around. Like I moved a copy of it towards the door. Bad mistake. My night and day cycle. It went to night, and you just see this blinking light underneath the door.
Okay, I'm really curious. Can you show me the day-night cycle?
Yeah, sure. I need to make sure I reset my day-night cycle to 0, so it starts out at night and goes up. It's easier to do it that way. Okay, I think I need to set my. If I set my speed to 30, that's gonna go like really. I think it's gonna go slow.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna be right back.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back. What's up?
Okay.
So you got it set up for me?
Sure. Yeah. I'm gonna test it out real quick. Make sure I have like the speed set about right.
Because I'm really curious to see this.
That's about good for set at night. Let's pause. Okay. Let's go in here. Okay.
This will probably be among the last things we do tonight.
Maybe I might set in a mouse cycle to follow the mouse for the flashlight real quick. Just cause.
I don't know. I kind of like how it is with it not moving. Like if at anything we have it so it only moves slightly, we don't want it to move fully.
Yeah, that's true. Well, then I gotta. Oof, there we go. Fix something. Yeah, we fixed it. There we go.
You got rid of the directional light, didn't you?
What?
You
No.
Oh, you just set the directional light really low?
Yeah.
Hmm.
But you'll see how. Oh wait. Yeah, just go really way. Where it is. Oh, I changed it. Ugh. I hate that. Yeah, no, it's gonna look a little freaky. I know. But
Okay.
just wait.
So walk outside.
Oh, it's just turning nighttime.
Oh, now that is cool.
Wait for it.
Oh, that's cool. I see you have a little
No.
slider there too to indicate the time.
Yeah, but it's also so you can change it.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, how did you do that?
So you can automatically change it for testing prototyping purposes.
That is
So we
pretty
have
nice.
it where we can run around. I like it at nighttime with our flashlight. Let me see if I can get it back
See,
to
now, if
nighttime.
only we had the pro version, then we could actually run shadows.
Now look at it during nighttime
Yeah, I know. Nighttime.
in the
is-
room.
Yeah.
Dude,
pretty
in here's
fun.
like freaking creepy.
Dude, the thing
That's
is,
what I was
that's how,
doing
that's how
also,
I
like-
originally had it, and I thought that was pretty cool. Like how we originally had it.
Only thing, this is the only problem I'm having, is getting it to where the daytime stays out of the room.
Yeah, I know. I had that same
Because
issue.
I noticed this issue right now, because now it's like bright, it's daytime and you can barely see the spotlight. So I'm just like, yeah, we're gonna have to change that.
Well, the thing is, what I ended up doing is,
Oh, and you see this? You see this?
Yes.
We're gonna have an issue with that.
Yes. I already know. I didn't. I know. Trust me. I've noticed.
There's an issue with this. I don't like it. It's not perfection.
I know. Deal with it.
I don't know. I'm just thinking. I want to put the flashlight to the character so you can literally use the flashlight to look around. Like look at different things with the flashlight instead of, because you can only go down that far. You can't see anything on the floor. I know. I agree with you that I kind of like it as well, where it is. But I also kind of have some feelings against it. I don't know.
I agree as well, because sometimes it's annoying when you're looking up and you can't really see the object, and you'd like a closer view.
Yeah.
But it's like I want that feeling of having a like free roam, like you can move independently of the camera.
Oh, I see why.
I see you're messing with my praise the sun.
Well, I ain't messing with it. What are you
Dude.
talking about, Willis?
Dude, I can see you messing with it right now.
Oh.
Is that actually making it? Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, so nothing changed. Good.
There, now we have a little bit, so we're gonna have to make it to where this... So you literally did that and then put you did a cube and then made the material
Yes,
as that
I
picture,
did.
didn't you?
Yes,
That
I did.
was my problem. That's what I was thinking. Okay. Oh, no, I see what you... Okay.
See, now,
All I
here's
really
the
have
thing.
to do-
Here's the
I
thing.
see
Take
how
the...
you did this. What the... What the...
Dude, okay, here,
I know we're only
okay,
gonna see one side.
I know, but scale it back
Come
out.
on.
Scale it back out, and you'll see the sides, tops, and bottom is the same thing. Nope, nope. Nope. Nope, you had it. The red one.
Oh my god. It's a praise the sun cube.
Exactly.
Don't tell me. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, I was lazy and I didn't feel like mapping it the way that it was originally mapped, so I was like, nah,
Oh my
it's not gonna
god.
fly with me.
Oh crap. I flipped it.
Yeah, good job, genius.
What in the crap?
Well, I'll let you mess with my praise the sun.
Dude, I flipped it and I didn't even know how. Oh, there we go. Let me just do that real quick. Oh no. There we go.
I'm gonna be right back again. I'm gonna quickly look at. I'm gonna quickly look up some shit, do some more stuff. So, what are you gonna work on?
Oh Jesus. I'm thinking I'm gonna work on this poster.
Alright, you work on this poster, I'll do my thing.
Uh-oh.
And then, and that'll be it for the night.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna quickly go look
I
some
might
shit
be
up.
in for the night as well.
Hey Raymond, you with me?
Mm-hmm.
So, I just created my script for thing.
What thing?
I just created my script for, collisions with objects and pushing them over.
Oh, nice.
So basically, this is all that this is. And in any case, so we have this chair.
Okay, hold on. I can't. Okay, there, now I can see it. Okay.
So we've got this chair, and I can walk up to it, and I can push it. I can move the chair.
Nice. Nice.
Let's fuck this chair.
Nice.
I'm trying to figure out what it means by there are two audio listeners in the scene.
Yeah.
Now I need to turn this. Can I do this? Damn. Could probably turn that into one too.
Yeah, you can.
Just put a rigid body on it. Turn. Get out.
What did you have on there?
An animator. The hull has more than 255 polygons. Cool story, bro. What if I put a rigid body on you and I'm gonna change the mass? No, just... It's probably gonna fall through the floor.
I don't know.
As in all of these objects do. And we're gonna turn around and it's gone. Okay.
Why is it falling? Mass is lower?
Well, no, it's falling because kinematic isn't turned on. I'll just add a box collider to it, or no. Yeah, capsule collider will work just fine.
Yeah, capsule should be good.
As for this capsule collider, let's say the radius is, so the height, 10, no, okay, I get it. So say that this is about this, say this is about yay, direction x-axis, okay, now I'm just creating this really, what if I just create the center point at the 0 on the object? Why is the center point? Oh my god. No. He didn't. That son of a... Set the goddamn... He set the center point on that. Oh. Oh. So frustrating.
Which means... Oh man.
Oh my god, that's no. So stupid.
Which means he created that trash can starting with that object.
What a scrub.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
Just stupid. So stupid.
Oh man.
Something is up with this capsule collider and I can't rotate it.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, there we go. I'm stupid.
Sulky. So I wanted to create...
Why is it like that?
I wanted to share with you real quick. I have like the perfect texture for our share. Like, you gotta see this. This texture is perfect.
Hold on, just give me a minute to make sure this capsule collider works.
Hold on, I gotta see this.
It's rolling away. And it's...
Wait, share screens again, do it again.
It's because the thing is like... Okay, that was dumb. I want to see if I can fix that, because that would mean... It
Just
didn't
do it
even
again.
put it right! It's crooked! So no wonder this thing doesn't work.
It's colliding automatically.
No, I mean,
And
look at this. Well,
flipping.
watch what happens when I turn around. Just look at it.
It leans. And then slides down onto the table. No, it just leans.
Fuck you.
Well, you can push it around.
Oh, he really does need
Oh.
to fix some of these faces.
Yeah, he fucked up another face.
Oh, whoops! I tried to jump and I forgot. This is a pretty great prototype so far.
Yeah, so far.
Move, damn you! I'm out. This may as well be the end of me. I literally can't see. Oh my god. Everything is going wrong. I can't see what's happening. What is happening to me? What is happening? Someone help. Help.
All the things.
Dude, I don't even know what's happening right now. I'm dead.